Hello students, in this video we are going to see the square root of a polynomial. So in the earlier classes you may studied about the square root of a numbers. So we know what is mean by square root. So square root is a square root of a given number is another number. Square root of a given number is another number when multiplied with itself is the given number. So I will say one example. 5 when we multiply by itself it gives a number. So if 25 is a given number, when we multiply 5 is another number, when we multiply 5 by itself it gives the given number. So the square root of the given number 25 is equal to 5. Have you understood? So this concept we have studied in the last classes. You may studied in the 6th standard or in 7th standard. But now we are going to study about the square root of a polynomial. So it is a very simple, easy concept. So square root of a polynomial is, it is very simple. When the square root of a given polynomial is when a polynomial is multiplied by itself, it gives the given polynomial. See, p of x is the given polynomial. When we multiplied another polynomial q of x by itself, it gives the given polynomial. Then the square root of the given polynomial p of x is equal to q of x. We have to apply modulus to know the absolute value. So it must be either positive or negative. So definitely it will be a square root. Okay, so this is the concept of the square root. So when we think about a polynomial, for example 4x square plus 12x plus 9, is this perfect square? It is a polynomial. It is a quadratic polynomial because highest power 2. So it is a quadratic polynomial and it is a trinomial. It has 3 terms. So is this a perfect square? We will see. So if this is p of x, we have to find the q of x. What is q of x? So when we multiply the another polynomial by itself, it should give this 4x square plus 2x plus 9. So 2x plus 3, this is q of x. So if we multiply this q of x by itself, if you are multiplying this q of x by itself, let us multiply. 2 2s are 4x into x, 4x square. 2 3s are 6 into x, 2 3s are 6, x 6x plus 3 2s are 6x plus 3 3s are 9. So 4x square plus 6x plus 6x, 12x plus 9. So when we multiply 2x plus 3 by itself, it gives 4x square plus 12x plus 9. So this 2x plus 3 is the square root of 4x square plus 12x plus 9. So this can be written as square root of 4x square plus 12x plus 9 is equal to modulus 2x plus 3. So it's very simple concept. If we are multiplying a polynomial by itself, then it gives the given polynomial. Then the polynomial is the square root of the given polynomial. Here this is the given polynomial, this is another polynomial. We are multiplying the q of x by q of x, so it gives p of x. So when we multiply q of x by q of x, it gives p of x. So p of square root of p of x is equal to q of x. Do you understand? I will do with one number. So 49 is a given number. When we multiply 7 by 7, when we multiply 7 by itself, it gives 49, which means the square root of the 49 is 7. The square root of the 49 is 7. Is this perfect square? If we multiply x square by itself, if you multiply x square by itself, it gives x power 4. So square root of x power 4 is equal to x square. So in this type of monomials, the exponent is even, it must be a perfect square. I will write and 25 y power 6 z power 4. Is this perfect square? Yes, it is a perfect square. 25 is a number because 5 5s are 25. 5 is the square root of 25. So 25 y power 6 z power 4 can be written as 25 5 square. Then this y power 6 means y power 3 whole square into z power 2 whole square. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 5 square 25, then 5 y cube z power 3 minus. This is the square root of this polynomial. This is the square root of this polynomial. So you have to understand, in a monomial, here we have only one term. In monomial, if the exponent is even, it is a perfect square. So if square root of y power 12 is, what is the half of the 12? Y power 6, because y power 6 power 2 can be written as 6 2s are 12. So when we take the square root, we will remove the square. So square root of y power 6 is y power 12 is y power 6. Square root of x power 4 is x square, half of 2. So if you want to find the square root in a monomial, just we have to divide the exponent by 2. So which means we are taking the square root of the polynomial. I hope you understood the square root concept. So in this concept, we are going to use two methods to find the square root of the polynomial. First one is, we are going to use the factorization method. Using the factorization, we can find the square root of any given polynomial. Then using the division method, one is factorization method, another one is division method. Using the division method, we can find the square root of the polynomial. So you watch the next video. In the next video is about square root of a polynomial using factorization method. So watch it carefully and understand the concept. Thank you.